ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Say what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you find a video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Three of Swords and the King of Hazards. So, meron dito mga pangakong hindi natupad. May pangakong napako. So, with the Three of Swords, medyo we're hurt. We feel like our person is not reliable enough, no? Para pagkatiwalaan. Whether this is pangako or meron talaga siyang nagawa na ikinasama ng puso natin, no? Kinasama ng loob natin. Nakakakita kasi tayo dito ng mga pagkakataon na itong person na ito is pwede rin huminto sa pagiging expressive or generous, no, ng kanilang time, energy, or effort. May mga pagkakataon din na itong person na ito siguro is whether intentional or pwedeng sabihin natin hindi naman sinasadya pero kahit na, no, nandun pa rin, nasaktan tayo. With the King of Cups. Especially kung ano na yung nararamdaman nila sa atin. Especially kung meron ng mga pagkakataon dito na siguro sinasabi natin sa sarili natin. Hindi ko alam kung ano na ang estado ko, no, sa puso mo. Ano ba yung totoo mong nararamdaman? Gusto mo ba ipagpatuloy itong relasyon na ito? Kasi parang feeling natin nagiging madamot sa atin ngayon si person when it comes to giving information, no, or showing their affection or emotions to us. Now, with the Queen of Cups, hindi naman siya ganito dati. Parang feeling nga natin, nababasa mo na siya, no? Parang feeling natin, nabasa mo na siya. Parang feeling natin, kaya nga tayo naging komportable. Pero parang ngayon, parang nire-restrict tayo ni person. Parang may binabago din si person when it comes to your dynamic, no? Pwede natin sabihin na binabago niya yung routine. So parang hindi ka nasasanay kasi pag sinabi natin routine, nakasanayan na natin yan, no? It's almost as if this is a muscle memory, no? Yun yung mga nakikita natin dito eh. With the Magician, you're probably waiting, hoping, praying for this situation, no, to return, to come back, to manifest again. Parang siguro namimiss mo yung dating kayo. Namimiss mo yung dating relasyon na yung alam mo, no, parang yung familiar ka. Kasi itong bagong dynamic na binubuo ni person or yung ini-introduce sa'yo ni person is parang hindi mo gamay, hindi ka komportable, you're not even happy with kung ano yung gustong gawin ni person, no? Whether nasabi natin ito, whether hindi, parang feeling ko nga meron ditong hindi alam ni person na medyo nasasaktan na tayo. Baka tayo din, hindi natin masyado ding ina-express, pero you're not satisfied with what is happening right now, no? With the Six of Cups, that's pretty much sure na talaga namimiss mo kasi the Six of Cups represents nostalgia, di ba? The Six of Cups represents meron akong mga hinahanap, no? I'm probably walking down memory lane. Siguro mas inaalala ko na lang yung relationship natin before. Parang tulad ng sabi ko kanina, I'm hoping and praying na things are going to return, no, to where it used to. The Six of Cups clarified with the Eight of Hazards and the King of Wands. Siguro ang naging problema dito is hindi ka rin nagsasabi, no? Mas mapoprolong itong waiting game, mas mapoprolong itong sabihin natin hindi, kasi wini-wish mong mangyari pero ayaw mo naman siya sabihin. Siguro din, baka iniisip mo, baka ma-offend si person or baka makadagdag pa kasi baka busy si person. So, ganun mo siya kamahal. Meron dito mga bagay na even our own happiness, we're even sacrificing sacrificing our own happiness for our person. So, mabuti naman yung puso mo, no? Siguro nga hindi ka lang masyadong, hindi ka vocal din, no? So, you may have the same quality of your person, baka kaya kayo nag-jive. Yun nga yung pagiging vocal. Or baka lumaki ka na hindi masyadong dumadaing, no? Maybe you're a breadwinner, no? Parang you're accepting all the challenges with the Knight of Hazards. Sa hindi mo pagsasalita, medyo stagnant tayo, no? Stagnant yung dynamic ng relationship natin. Stagnant because no movement. Kung mayroon man movement dito, it's declining. And we're not even seeing that this is declining, but it is evident in how we feel. Kasi imbis na nag-i-increase habang tumatagal, di ba? Yung momentum parang mas lalong nag-iinit, bumibilis, yung palamig siya. So, we know for a fact that there's something wrong. The Hermit, kasi nga hindi ka nagsasalita. I think that the message here of the universe is to talk to the person. It may not be as aggressive like you want it to be, or probably not really, then your person's gonna guess what's happening. Yung tamang pakikipag-usap, no? Right tone, right timing, so that the emotion comes across, no? Whereas the Five of Wands and the Fool card, pwede natin kasi sabihin with the Five of Wands, medyo nagkakaroon na tayo na or magkakaroon ng disagreement, challenges when it comes to communication because no one is talking. The Fool card represents that this is you needs to brave yourself, no? To talk. Not brave yourself para awayin si person, but to express how you feel. The reason being why you are in this situation is because hindi natin sinasabi na there's also something wrong with the way how we feel, no? The Fool card, things might gonna change if you brave yourself and jump into the, you know, the courage of saying what you are feeling right now. Makikinig naman to sa'yo, no? This is your reading, pero bago natin i-check ang zodiac sign, I want you to know kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate. Let me know sa comment section. At kung kayo po yung merong mga katanungan dito sa video na ito, sa description box, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aries, Capricorn, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Pisces, Libra. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the